Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today is part 4 on our How to Crochet for Beginners series. We have our single crochet today, and we are going to start off with the slip knot and 15 chains on our hook. If you'd like to check out the slip knot and chain stitch video, I'll have those linked in the description box below. So now that we have our 15 chains on our hook, we are going to single crochet on the second chain from our hook. Now this is the first one, which is on the hook, and this is our second one right here, and we are going to crochet our first stitch on the top loop of that chain. So this is the top loop and this is the bottom loop, and we're going to work our first row on the top loop. Now our first row, it might be always just a little bit harder than the rest, but it gets easier from here. So you're going to insert your hook through the second chain on the hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Now you are going to yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook, and that is your first single crochet. And we're going to do this to the end of the row. So we are going to have 14 single crochet stitches. You pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that chain on the top loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And you're just going to repeat this technique to the end of the row. As you can see, I'm also holding the chain as I did, but now we're going backwards towards the tail end versus going up as we were chaining up. And this is just to help with tension and making sure our project doesn't go all over and we have control over our project. Now we have made 14 single crochet stitches, and this is our first row. We are going to do just one more row so I can show you that we need to, at the end of every single crochet stitch row, when we start another single crochet stitch row, we need to chain 1 at the end or at the beginning. Usually patterns will have it either at the end or at the beginning of the row. To me, just chaining up will match up to the height of the stitch. So for double crochet, you would do 3. For half double crochet, you would do 2, and so on. So now that we chained 1, we are going to single crochet in this first stitch. So unlike our first row, which was on the top loop only because it was a chain, now we have created single crochet stitches, and we have 2 loops that look like V's, and there is an opening in each stitch. So we're going to insert our hook, having that V on top of our hook, So we have that V that you can see. You're going to yarn over and pull through that stitch. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. You're going to repeat this process till the end of the row. So you're going to go through both loops, yarn over, and pull through. You're going to insert your hook. Remember the V, both loops, top and bottom. Now the last stitch will be a little hard to find, and it might seem like it's not a stitch, but it is going to be this right here. You can see that you will have that top loop and that bottom loop right there. So you just want to find it with your hook and yarn over and pull through that last stitch. And yarn 1 to continue your row of single crochet stitches. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep practicing. Bye!